Most professional services firms don't have a marketing strategy. What they do have is a to-do list wearing a blazer. I'm Sharyn Honey Lowe, creator of the Flaunt Factor program, where we stop fixing marketing tactics and start fixing what the marketing is actually saying. Now, everyone says they have a strategy. They tell me they have SEO, LinkedIn, maybe a newsletter if they're feeling ambitious, but that's not a strategy, that's activity. And their marketing people look really busy. But an actual marketing strategy answers one question: what transformation are you known for? Because clients don't buy services, they buy outcomes. You know that. But does that come across in all of your marketing? Your clients don't want legal advice, they want certainty. They don't want accounting, they want to sleep at night. They don't want consulting, they want confidence. And here's where it goes wrong. Most firms list what they do, but very few can articulate what they change, how they change the lives of their clients. So their marketing sounds like everybody else. It sounds beige. I challenge you to read the headline on your homepage of your website out loud. You are going to be embarrassed at how boring it sounds or how meaninglessly corporate it is. It's going to be a list of things that you do, not anything about the transformation that you make in the lives of your customers and clients. So I'll tell you a story. This is the case with Lyndon Russell, who I worked with last year. Now, he is a life-changing accountant, but his website used stock images from the 90s. He led with services, which just made him blend in. But once he fixed his foundational marketing, his strategy, he was 100% clear about his point of difference. And he also knew who he wanted to work with and who he didn't. The result of that work was a 40% lift in revenue. Yes, just by getting clearer. And you know what? We started working together because he wasn't sure if he needed to change his business name or not. That's why he called me. Well, he didn't. Check him out. Next Level Accounting. Perfect. So if you're an ambitious business who needs a high-performance accountant, you need to go to the next level and talk to Lyndon. Now, clarity isn't a branding exercise, it's a commercial advantage. Because when someone lands on your website or sees your content or meets you, they're not asking, what do you do? What they're actually asking is this for me? Are you the person for me? And if you can't answer that in seconds, you've already lost them. So before you open another tab, before you tweak another headline, even before you move on to my next mini pod, press pause just for a moment and ask yourself one question. What do you actually change for people? Not what do you sell, not what do you offer, not what do people do. What changes for the humans that are your clients? Because that answer is your strategy. If this resonated with you, I've got a free agency pressure test in the description below. It's the same diagnostic questions I use with global brands. Download it and find out exactly where your marketing is failing you. It's free, why not? In my next mini pod, and I'm making them quick, I'll talk about how to create thought leadership in a new way, because I know you're all doing thought leadership, but I can tell you, you're all sounding the same. So I'll see you in the next mini pod.